Hi everyone, today we are going to see looping statement in Java. Looping means which is used to repeat a particular piece of code until the given condition is false. That is the looping statement. I will create the project. Okay, in that looping statement we have three types in Java. One is a for loop, another one is a while loop, another one is a do while loop. First we are going to see what is meant by for loop with the example. Okay, the for loop means the body of the loop will execute until the given condition is false, and this loop is also used to repeat the particular number of codes for fixed number of times. And these for loops we have to use semicolons, two semicolons. Okay, first I will create the example for loop. Okay, first I will declare the variable int I. Okay, I will declare int I. After that, for this is the statement I equal to 1 semicolon I less than equal to 10 semicolon I plus plus, which is mean by the I value should be incremented. Okay, this is the for loop. Okay, in that for loop, I will create the print statement. System.out.println. Okay. Here, we start from the loop. For example, loop starting. We want the value of I. Okay, for that we have to plus I. Okay, this is the for loop. First of all, we have to initiate the condition. This is the for loop. I equal to 1. This is the statement I less than equal to 10. This is the condition, which the condition I will given. After that, this the increment statement for the given value. I will save and run the code. Okay, here the loop starting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until it's print 10, because I given the I value is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, so it includes 10 also, and it will increment. For example, first I have print 1, because the for loop I will initiate 1. After that, the condition goes that I less than equal to 10. If it is 1, after it's come from I plus plus, so it will printed 2. For that, the condition will repeated again and again until the condition is false. Here I will give I less than equal to 10. So, I less than equal to 10, it will print loop starting 10 until the 10th value. This is the for loop condition. Next, while loop. What is meant by while loop? While loop means it will given the condition by the body of the loop execute until the condition is false. Okay, we will see the example. Okay, for example, I have created the main class. In that main class, declare the one variable int a equal to 1. Int a equal to 1. Next we will give the while loop. While a less than equal to 10. A less than equal to 10. I will print the statement system dot out dot println. I want the value of a, so only I will give a. After that I will given the condition the a value should be increment by once check the condition. For that I will give a plus plus. This is the while condition. Whiles means first we have to check the condition. Which are the condition will given inside the loop. While, this is the while, this is the condition a less than equal to 10. If I want a value, for that a value should be incremented by checking the condition. Now I will execute this code. Yeah, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Until the 10 it will print. For example, I will take a less than 10. It means it will print by 9 because it is a less than 10. It does not 10 is included. This is the while loop. After that we have to see do while loop. Do while loop means first the condition will be executed. After that execution the body of the code will be using. Okay, I will do the program. For example, this is the main class. In that main class, a is equal to 1. I will give in the condition do. In the do statement, the first the print statement will be given system dot out dot println. Hello Java program. I will give the print statement like hello Java program. Next, this is the print statement. After that, I will given the condition for incrementing the value a plus plus. Next, I will given the condition while a less than equal to 10. I will give the condition. Okay, this is the condition. First of all, in the do while loop, once it will run, after that it checking the condition in that while loop, a less than equal to 10. Now we will see. Yeah, it's hello Java program. First it will print the statement like Java program. After that it will goes the condition while a less than equal to 10. If it is a less than equal to 10 means it will go this condition and increment the value. Based on that, do while loop is working. In the Java we also have the break statement and also the continue statement. If it is a break statement means, for example, int a is equal to, for example, int a equal a, I will given taken a, for loop I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. I will given the for loop condition. In that for loop, I will given the condition if the condition is I double equal to 5. After that, the break statement will work. I will given the break statement. Next, system dot out dot println. I want the value of I, so I will give in I. Okay, here I will give the break statement. So how it works means, first of all it will print the for loop statement. After that print for loop statement, it will check the condition if I double equal to 5. If I double equal to 5 means it will goes. After that, once the 5 value is printed, the break statement will do the termination of the program. The break statement terminate the condition. We'll run the file. Here, the I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10. Its values also incrementing. But here I double equal to 5 means I equal to 5. Once the condition from I 5 means, after that 5, the break statement will terminate the program. It does not go and again and check the condition. This is the break statement. And also there is a continue statement. Continue statements means, for example, I also int I, for I is equal to 10, I will given the condition if I double equal to 4, in that I will give one continue statement. Okay, I will give the continuous statement. We will execute. Okay, this is the continuous statement. This continues the lines because I is equal to 1, I less than equal to 10. The I value should be incremented after checking the condition. But if I double equal to 4 means I is equal to 4. Once the condition came from I is equal to 4, it does not break because the condition statement will continue the other programs, other conditions also. If it comes from 4 means it also go and check other condition. I is equal to less than equal to 10. If it is a less than equal to 10, it will continue the program. This is the continuous statement in Java. If you have any doubts means please make a comment. We will reply. Thank you.